Hi, welcome to our channel Bio World. This Bio World is only developed for competitive exams. Let's see some questions under the topic immunology. Okay, the first question is, the word immune is derived from. You see, most of the biological terminologies are derived from Latin or Greek word. So in order to avoid the confusion, we'll see the first letter of the immune, it starts with I. The first letter of the Latin, it starts with L. So there is a connection between I and L, right? So don't forget, the term immune is derived from the Latin word immune. Immune is nothing but exempt. Exempt means free of, free from. Okay. Then father of immunology. Who is the father of immunology? Who is Pasteur? Who coined the term vaccine? Louis Pasteur. The first attenuated vaccine was developed by Louis Pasteur. You know what is attenuation? Yes, attenuation is nothing but removal of virulence capacity of the microbes. You see, next, vaccine for rabies also developed by Louis Pasteur. The next one is fermentation process is developed by Louis Pasteur. You see, the best example of fermentation is conversion of milk into curd. You know, the lactobacilli can able to convert lactose sugar into lactic acid. That lactic acid only giving the coagulation structure in the curd. Then you see pasteurization process also developed by Louis Pasteur. What is pasteurization? Pasteurization is the process of heating up the beverages at particular temperature and suddenly cool down in the room temperature. This is pasteurization process. Nowadays, the milk is pasteurized under the process of pasteurization. Then, who prepared the vaccine? The first vaccine. The first vaccine was prepared by Edward Jenner. You see, who coined the term vaccine for Louis Pasteur, who prepared the first vaccine, Edward Jenner, from cowpox to smallpox. You see, Edward Jenner from cowpox for smallpox. Then you see immune system. Immune system is formed of lymphoid organs and lymphoid cells. So immune system is formed of lymphoid organs and lymphoid cells. Then can you see some lymphoid organs? You see our bone marrow, thymus, spleen, bursa or fabriceus, lymph nodes, everything comes under lymphoid organs. You see lymphoid cells or WBC. Some examples of lymphoid cells are WBC, neutrophils, eosinophils, basophils, etc. Then the enzyme present in our tears. You see, when any dust particles enter into our eyes, suddenly tears will come out. Do you see? Tears contain a particular enzyme. That enzyme is known as lysozyme enzyme. That enzyme can be able to lyse or kill the microbes. The second one is innate immunity. You see, innate immunity is otherwise known as non-specific immunity or natural immunity or native immunity or first line of defense. You see, most of the competitive exams, they ask innate immunity, option A, non-specific immunity, option B, natural immunity, option C, native immunity, option D, all the above. So, you should know all the terms under innate immunity. Then, who discovered cell-mediated immunity? There are two types of immunity. One is antibody-mediated immunity and the one is cell-mediated immunity. This cell-mediated immunity was discovered by Metchnikoff. Don't forget the name Metchnikoff. You see, and also phenomenon of phagocytosis. Phagocytosis, another name of phagocytosis is cell eating or cell engulfing. So this phenomenon also identified by Metchnikoff. Then, which layer of the skin is impermeable to microorganisms? You see, our skin is made of layers. You see, the outer layer called stratum corneum, it is impermeable to certain kind of microorganisms. That means it won't allow the organisms to enter into our body. Then hydrochloric acid in our gastric juice is secreted by oxyntic cells. You see, then antibacterial substances in human milk. Actually, human milk contains number of antibiotic substances. The important one is lactoferritin and neuronic acid. Don't forget lactoferritin and neuronic acid. Then lysozyme is also known as, we already know that lysozyme, that is a kind of enzyme present in our tears, that is otherwise known as N-acetyl or N-acetyl. Then who discovered lysozyme enzyme? Who discovered Fleming in 1992? You see, antiviral agent, very important question. Antiviral agent of our body is interferon. This interferon that showing antiviral and anti-cancerous properties. Very important question. Which one possesses antiviral and anti-cancerous properties? Nothing but interferon. Then interferons are specially produced by T lymphocytes. There are two types of lymphocytes, B lymphocytes and T lymphocytes. B lymphocytes mediate antibody-mediated immunity. T lymphocytes offer cell-mediated immunity. Then the name of the antibody was coined by Warren. Don't forget, the name of the antibody was coined by Warren. Then the theory of apronization was developed by Wright and Stewart Douglas. The theory of apronization was developed by Wright and Stewart Douglas. I think all these questions are very useful for you. Thank you so much.